Hello everybody, it's Boys13 back here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. A very easy tutorial, not hard to make, so let's get to it. Alright, so you get a piece of paper like usual, and you want to turn it around like this, and then you get the top part and fold it down to the bottom part. Okay. Okay, now you get these two parts and fold it right in the very middle. Right in the middle. Okay? Do it to the other side. Okay? Now, get the bottom part and then you fold it right here. And if you want to, it's just optional. You can get these two bottom corners and fold them like this. My opinion looks better, but you don't have to do this. So, like this. And here. And you can do the same thing on the other way. Okay, now you get it, and then right in the bottom, you turn it around, kind of fold it like this. Yeah. Fold it, and now we're almost done. Like I said, this is pretty easy. Now you get the bottom flap, and you fold it like right in the middle, not too high or not too low, or it's just gonna look funny at the end. Now, fold it. Same thing on the other side. Okay, now you open it up like this, and now last part, get these two parts, and when you try pulling it, it starts forming, the boat. There you go. And now if you want to make it stand, open it right here. It forms like it stand. Now there you go. That is the paper boat right there. Easy tutorial, like I said. Now I'll try to make other origami videos soon. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.